I wake every morning with thoughts of you.
Hi Ma'am Lindy, pwede pa help? Ito ay yung mga unang salitang naging daan upang tayo ay magkakilala. Isang simpleng katanungan na may kinalaman sa trabaho na hindi ko mawari kung bakit ako ay kinabahan.
Love to you. And I want to make you smile. And I want to keep you close to me. You are my melody. And in your arms I find my home. I will not leave you in the dark. I will not let you drown in the rain.
Ma, pa, maraming salamat dahil kung ano ako ngayon, kung ano yung mga narating ko ngayon, hindi yun dahil sa akin lang, kundi dahil din sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
I will not let you drown in the rain. In the night I'll be your shining star. In the morning I will be your rising sun. Oh, take my hand, come to me.
So it's really awesome how a man and a woman, or how God brings a man and a woman together, two totally different individuals, to be joined together for a lifetime.
As you lay next to me.
Bal, today officially begins our lifetime. Who would have thought na yung random visit mo sa showroom would lead us here 6 years later? Standing in front of God and everyone we love, about to start forever.
In your arms I find my home. I will not leave you in the dark. I will not let you drown in the rain. In the night I'll be your shining sun. In the morning I will be your rising sun. I will not leave you in the dark. I will not let you drown in the rain. In the night I'll be your shining star. In the morning I will be your rising sun.
Huwag kayong mag-away. Lagi yung Panginoon magpapagitna sa inyo.
Thank you din kasi supportive ka sa relationship namin ni Jamie. And thank you sa pag-aalaga at pagmamahal mo sa amin.
Masaya na malungkot, no? Kasi dapat kasama namin yung mama nila.
Alam ko naman na napapanood mo to. Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na namimiss ka na namin, na sana masaya ka na nakikita mo kami na kinakasal ni Jamie ngayon. I love you, Ma. I miss you.
Attention undivided.
Bal, thank you for choosing me every single day. For seeing my worth even during I doubted myself. Sa lahat ng sakuna, stress. And even nung nawala si mama, hindi mo lang ako sinamahan. You carried me. You stood by my family as if they were your own. And that made me love you even more.
And all its broken promises. Oh, there's a given.
Hi Bal, ito na yung araw na pinakiiintay natin. Happy 6th year anniversary. Let's make this day worth the stress dahil pangarap nating dalawa to. I love you. Mwah.
I love you. Can't wait to see you, my ball. Jamie.
Just to hold you.
Thank you, Bal.
Just to
I love you. See you later.
You can have my strength when the world feels heavy. You can have my faith when it gets hard to keep going. Oh, you can have my heart when you're losing yours. And all there's a given.
Bal, pwede pa help? Pero sa pagkakataong ito, hindi na ito tungkol sa trabaho. Pa-help kung paano bumuo ng pamilya kasama kita. Kung paano magsimula ng bagong alaala kasama ang magiging anak natin. At kung paano natin patutunayan na ang pagmamahala natin ay tunay at tapat at walang hanggan.
Promise ko, habang buhay kong pipiliin na ikaw. Even on the days na hindi madali. Even sa moments na hindi perfect ang love natin, ikaw pa rin.
There's nothing I can keep that could keep me from loving you. And there's nothing else I want, nothing else that's even close to you. There's nothing I can keep that could keep me from loving you. Oh, there's a give and taking, falling in love. You make it easy. You're I ever thought I'll give up everything I'm holding on to just to hold you, just to hold you.
Mangangako ako na susundin ang plano ng Diyos sa aking buhay upang maging mabuting asawa, mapagmahal na ama at katuwang mo sa pagtatag ng isang pamilyang may takot sa Diyos.
So today, I make this vow na sa bawat plano ko, kasama ka. Sa bawat gising, ikaw ang katabi ko. At sa bawat prayer ko, ikaw ang answered prayer ko. I love you, Bal.